Hello everyone, this video will show you how to build your own preset from a shell empty preset. There are three types of preset in Spooky 2 software: factory presets, shell presets, and user presets. Factory preset includes software settings and programs. We can see the program's name on here. Shell preset only helps the software setting. User preset is your own created preset. Now let us show you how to build your own preset. The first step is to choose a shell preset. We will choose shell bracket empty close bracket preset healing bracket r close bracket hyphen hyphen jw as an example. If you run by contact mode or plasma mode, you should choose the related empty preset. Then we go to the Programs tab and choose all programs we need. You can choose a single program or multiple programs. We choose Abdominal Cramps, Abdominal Inflammation, and Abdominal Pain. We can change the settings on Options pane and Settings tab. For example, we can change the amplitude from 5 volts to 4 volts. As a new user, we suggest using the default settings. Finally, we back to the Presets tab to save this preset. Click the Save button. We can see that it is saved under the User folder. We can create a new folder, Remote, for this preset, and we name this preset as Abdominal Penny 2028 and click the Save button. Now we go to the user directory remote folder. We can see the preset we created. We choose it, go to the Control tab, tick Overwrite Generator, open a generator button, and click Start to run our own preset. Thanks for watching this video.